Hey guys, Junk Car Willie here at the Arkansas Aeroplex at the ECTA Land Speed Competition, and I'm talking to
Wayne Waters. My name's Wacky, they call me, and we're sitting here this year with a new ride. We call her the Porkchop Express. Now the Porkchop Express, we do have to apologize. She is kind of showing off her, her nips there just a little bit. Buddy, get out of here. But we're gonna get those covered up, okay? This is our first run out here on this motorcycle.
First run.
And yep, she's a 47 knucklehead, and she's owned by the Rabbit Foot Racing.
How do you know that?
Rabbit, you've ever heard of? We want to quiet down over there a little.
I will. I'll make sure I will check them out. No, but I
See,
haven't.
the Rabbit Foot Racing crew is what we got here.
Okay.
And you got his brother Shane right over here.
Oh yeah.
Shane's right there. Now Shane, he's running a 56.
Now what is it?
Model CA. Anyway, this little girl here was out last year too. Tried making her out to the salt flats last year. Well, actually, we made it out. It was rained out as everything else. She's running pretty strong here today. She's running in at mile per hour. We're not going to really share any information that way. The same way with our Porkchop Express over here. She's 105 cubic inch knucklehead is what we're back on.
That's a beautiful bike.
Well, thanks a lot. They put a lot of work into it.
Yes, they did.
Gary, he puts a lot of work into it as well right here. Pa, you want to turn around and say anything? Or no? All right. Okay, he's a little shy over it.
What was your name again?
Money.
This guy actually knew who Junk Car Willie was, guys. Can you believe that? From Iowa. They heard of me. Wow. So you got to check out. You got to check them out, guys.
And right over here, here's the owner right here. That's Zachary.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Good day.
And his dad, Walter. Wally over
Stick
here.
right on this side.
He
Yeah.
does- he
Went
does
Wally.
Hey, these are good guys, man. Good Iowa boys.
He does a lot of the painting, well, all the painting, a lot of the modifications on this ride as well. So, like I say, they're out of Bettendorf, Iowa here. His brother Shane's out of Texas. We're just kind of getting together here this weekend. We're gonna have some goddamn fun.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about, right? There is a little eyeball right in here. You want to get way down in there. That little eyeball's always looking at you.
Lookout. Let's just keep a lookout.
Wow, that is cool.
Oh, the seeing eye.
The seeing eye.
Anyway, yeah, that's where we're at here.
It's a beautiful bike.
So we're doing our best to keep her up and running strong. I'd like to tell you how many mile per hour this one has done, but
If you don't,
I
then
don't know if I should share that information
it's
or
up.
not. But,
You know what to do that. I don't ask, but are you happy with the way it run today? Can I ask that?
Yeah, we actually are real happy the way it runs. This is the first run for her.
Okay.
So he's kind of holding her in. He was running some really strong numbers, and he only was in third gear, so he had another gear to go yet. That's all I'm going to tell you about
Okay.
how fast it is.
Okay.
So anyway, we're hoping for the best. He can get back out there to the salt flats again this fall and have a nice ass-kicking time. Am I right? Woo!
Hey, these are good guys.
Thing I want to say,
You say, buddy. I'm not done till you
and I
tell
would
me.
ask these boys right here.
Come on, Columbo, tell us.
All right. How much fun can you have on a Saturday afternoon right here in Whitesville, Arkansas?
We're getting in the red.
You're all the way there. It's all the way
We're
there.
in the red zone, buddy.
He's peaked out. Full speed right there, maxed out.
Good job. Those nets will start coming out just like that. They do. Yep. There you go. We got a little ways to go yet.
Hey guys, if I don't make it back to West Virginia, you know I hung out with these guys too long.
Hey, take care, buddy.
Yeah, you guys are always. As I always say, guys, it'd be a boring world if we was all the same. Keep being you.
All right, we'll try.